3/4 of that anyway in order to make the turn without going through the final approach course.
County traffic,
I see an aircraft down there at the threshold of 16. He's not on the runway, but he's down at that end in the run-up area. I'm wondering what he's going to do.
Traffic director, Lima left 8331.
Carroll County traffic, Meridian is a beam the numbers right downwind runway 34. Carroll County.
So now then, when you lower the nose, you already got gear and flaps. Power comes back to 3.
Meridian is a right base, runway 34 at Carroll County.
Minimums.
You're good.
Looking good.
Meridian is a right base to final, runway 34. Full stop, Carroll County.
500.
Keeping that nose coming down.
Good. And 100 knots. Still all turns are completed. Looking good.
Check runway.
They're green.
He's still sitting in the run-up area, so we got a clear runway. Okay, don't start that cross control till you start the flare. Right, let go of that left rudder. Yeah.
Stall.
There you go.
TAWS not available.
Nicely done. So again, I felt like you were